Hi everyone and welcome to the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an MSI installer using WiX Toolset. I've already created a WPF.NET Framework application in Visual Studio, so the next step is to add the setup project. For this, right-click on the project solution and choose Add New Project. Select the MSI package template from the list, but be aware that you need to have the Heatwave extension installed in order to use this template. Then set up the project and click Create. Now you should see the setup project in the Solution Explorer. Once the setup project is created, it's time to configure it. By default, the template includes three main files that need to be configured: packages, folder, and example components. Their role is to define how the app is installed and managed on the user's machine. If you want an easier way to create MSI installers, you can use the Advanced Installer tool. It provides an intuitive graphical user interface that lets you configure your setup package, no coding required. Now let's get back to our demo. First, let's configure the package file. It defines the package identity, version, and upgrade behavior. It also links the installer's feature to the component group that contains the files you want to install. The next step is to configure the folder file. Here you define the installation folder structure. Then let's configure the example component file. Here you specify the files that will be installed inside the install folder. Lastly, define the constants used in the previous files. Now let me show you how to add shortcuts. For this, you need to update the component that installs the executable. Here's how you can add both a desktop shortcut and a start menu shortcut. The MSI packages created with WiX do not include a user interface, only a small progress window during installation. If you want to include a basic UI, you need to follow the next steps. Right-click on the project solution, select Manage NuGet Packages, search for the WiX UI extension, and then install it. Once installed, in the packages file, reference the UI namespace and define the UI package. Once the setup project is configured, you can build it to generate the MSI installer. Then run the MSI to start installation. Once the installation is complete, you should notice the defined shortcuts will be created. And that's all. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.